We met in Kagumo. We were both taking teaching course.
Even though Kibaki left Kagumo to study abroad, the two friends later met in cabinet when they were appointed as assistant ministers by then President Jomo Kenyatta.
He was appointed assistant minister for commerce and industry, and I was appointed assistant minister for information.
Kibaki, and then who is this?
Even though there were many cabinet ministers in Kenyatta's cabinet, to him Kibaki was an astute thinker and workaholic who embarked on duty every morning like nothing had happened previous day. Not even when they had spent the day drinking at the Parliament restaurant.
We used to meet in Parliament, we used to go to the parliamentary bar and so on. And we were cordial, we were friends.
During one incident, Kibaki fell ill on board a plane on his way to Port Victoria, Osogo's home in Busia County, to attend a harambee in support of his friend. His health worsened and he had to be rushed back to Nairobi.
Medical people went and saw him and advised that they should fly back.
Osogo, who was also among the few people who were invited by the late President Jomo Kenyatta to attend President Uhuru Kenyatta's baptism ceremony, remembers how, like Kenyatta, Kibaki introduced him to his family. Osogo remembers meeting Kibaki's late wife, Mama Lucy Kibaki, who was so reserved toward ministers and only interacted with commoners.
Lucy was a bit reserved to other ministers. She could only quarrel with small people.
Their friendship continued even after Kibaki won the 2002 presidential election. Osogo, who believes Kibaki won the 2007 election fairly, contrary to what press reported, says their communication started to gradually break down as they both aged and started becoming sickly after Kibaki's tenure ended as the president.
We were in a jam just along Kenyatta Avenue, and Kibaki's motorcade came and actually stood right next to Mzee. And they greeted each other.
The furious Osogo once wrote a letter to President Kibaki after the 2007 election demanding that he put his cabinet in order. In the letter, Osogo accused some ministers of giving contradicting information to the public. He also called on Kibaki to end Kenya-Uganda maritime border wrangles. The friendly Kibaki bowed to his friend's demand.
So I just advised him to take the mantle of leadership.
He responded yes, and he was actually supposed to put up a team. Then